Okay, this is the last recording on our series of 11 that we had to do for our packet tracer activity. That's troubleshooting a wireless connection. We're going to identify and correct a misconfiguration of a wireless device. Um, so the wireless users are unable to access the networks. Let's verify the connectivity. The first thing we do is we're going to take our desktop browsers and we are going to, on every one of them, we are going to copy and paste this in. We'll start with the first one, desktop browser, and this can take up to a minute to do, so we're going to just set them all up as we go. That way when we come back and look at them, we'll know which ones do or don't work properly. They could all not work. There could be one or two of them not work. I won't know until we have gone through the process. So that one is working. Obviously it came right up. Now we're going to paste that one. That one is working. It came right up. That one is working. It came right up. And this one is probably not going to be working. So what we're going to do is, once we get an answer here, but until we get that answer we don't know for sure, we're going to examine the IP configuration on the PCs. On the PC that is unable to connect, access the command prompt from the desktop. There we have an unable to connect prompt. We're going to go to the command prompt desktop. We're going to type in IP configure all, IP CONFIG space /ALL, enter, and I'm going to take on our notepad here, and we're going to have 192.152.5.11.2.1.1. Okay, so we have that information, and that. So now we're going to do an IP address information that's available yet. Yes, it is. So examine the wireless setting on the wireless client. Access the config of any of the PCs that are unable to connect. The config tab, and click the desktop tab, wireless, and record the SIDD security configuration. It's a WEP system, and we have d1-9352.avi. That's Academy. So now we're going to examine the wireless Linksky device, and we're going to do the config on that, wireless, and it is a WEP system, and it's ABC. Oh, there we go. That could be our problem. We have ABC 123 DE45, where on the other one we had ABC or ABD. ABD, yep. Okay, we're going to change that because we know that's wrong. Anytime you have a number that's not correct, you need to change it immediately. That way you know you fixed it, hopefully. We need to examine the wireless on the Linksky device. Access the wireless GUI. We'll check that. DHCP server settings, in the basic setup. DHCP, we need to have that in the enabled mode, which is now. We need to click the wireless tab. Yeah, we probably ought to go back. Enable, and we need to save that. Then we'll go to the wireless tab, and then we want to check what the SIDD is. It's Academy, and then we want to check the wireless security submenu, which is right here, ABC123DE45. We found out that was already a problem, so we fixed that. We've made necessary changes. So let's go into our web browser one more time, and we will see if by chance we can cut and paste this into here. Click go, and there we go. We got it fixed. We are now connected. That pretty much takes care of that one, and we are now done with our 11 packet tracer activities. And I hope that these will be a help to somebody down the road, and thank you much